In recent years, the debate surrounding the health implications of drinking cold beverages has gained attention. While many people enjoy the refreshing taste of ice drinks, scientific discoveries suggest that consuming cold beverages may have adverse effects on our health. This article explores the reasons why drinking cold can be considered unhealthy based on scientific insights. 1. Impaired digestion. One of the primary concerns regarding cold beverages is their impact on digestion. According to Ayurvedic medicine, and supported by some scientific studies, consuming cold drinks can lead to a slowdown in the digestive process. Cold temperatures can constrict blood vessels and hinder the secretion of digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food. This can result in discomfort, bloating, and a less efficient digestive system. Research has shown that optimal digestive function occurs at body temperature, making room temperature or warm beverages more favorable. 2. Reduced nutrient absorption. Drinking cold beverages, especially during meals, can affect nutrient absorption. Studies indicate that cold drinks can interfere with the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, effectively. The cold temperature may cause the stomach muscles to contract, making it harder for the body to process food and extract nutrients. In the long run, this could lead to deficiencies and negatively impact overall health. 3. Increased mucus production. Another concern is the potential for increased mucus production. Some scientists suggest that consuming cold beverages may lead to the thickening of mucus in the respiratory system. This can exacerbate respiratory issues, particularly in individuals with pre-existing conditions such as asthma or allergies. Warm beverages, on the other hand, are believed to help thin mucus and provide relief, promoting better respiratory health. 4. Impact on thermoregulation. The body maintains a delicate balance in temperature regulation. Drinking cold beverages can disrupt this balance, especially in colder climates. When the body is exposed to cold, it must expend additional energy to maintain its core temperature, which can lead to an increase in metabolic stress. Over time, this could contribute to fatigue and overall discomfort. 5. Potential for increased cravings. Lastly, some studies suggest that drinking cold drinks can trigger cravings for more food. Cold beverages may temporarily dull the sensory experience of eating, leading to a disconnect between hunger and satiety signals. This can result in overeating, which poses additional health risks. Conclusion. While the enjoyment of cold beverages is widespread, emerging scientific evidence suggests that there may be several health implications associated with their consumption, from impaired digestion to potential nutrient absorption issues and increased mucus production. The drawbacks of drinking cold may outweigh the refreshing sensation it provides. Opting for room temperature or warm beverages could promote better health and support overall well-being. As always, moderation and awareness of individual body responses are key to making informed choices regarding beverage consumption.